How to recover YouTube password from your device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily recover the YouTube password on your device. So first thing, simply head over to your YouTube application and just simply switch your account. Let's say I want to add a new account from here, and you just have to confirm from over here. And let me just do this real quick and simply click on the next button from over here. And as you can see, let me just type in my password, and you can simply try it your method like this. And as you can see, if you don't remember your password, simply click on the forget password option over here, and you just have to simply click on the remember the last password that you entered, the last password which you remember using with this Google account. And once you do that, you will get the verification code to your particular registered Gmail, or the Gmail that you used in this account. So make sure you have logged in with that Gmail on your Gmail account, on your Gmail application from here. And once you type in the code, verification code. So hope that video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.